Hi, here's Bastian from AndroidPIT. This year just started, but we're already seeing the first smartphones. One of them, the Nokia 2, the new entry-level smartphone from Nokia. So in this video, we're gonna have a closer look at the new phone and what's in the box. So first of all, let's open up the box. Here it is, our new Nokia 2. Let's put this aside real quick. In the box itself, we have the typical paperwork, and we find the power adapter in a typical matte black finish. And next to it, we find the new, well, it's not new, the micro USB cable, not USB Type-C, but I guess in this price range, it's something that we should expect. And we do have a pair of headphones, but honestly, they don't look that nice. They look, a little cheap. Cables are really tiny, so I wouldn't expect a lot of quality from these. So if you think about buying this smartphone, and you want to listen to good music, buy new headphones for it. So let's put this back really quick, so we have a little more space here. So here it is, the new Nokia 2. Again, this is an entry-level smartphone, but I have to say, in terms of quality, sure, it's a little bit thicker, as you can see. I will tell you why that is, but overall, it looks really, really good. One thing we don't see that often on smartphones these days is that we can take off, actually, the back plate. But I mean, yeah, it's nice to take it off, but we can't change the battery actually. Good thing is that it has 4100 mAh, so Nokia is actually saying 2 days of usage is no issue whatsoever. Of course, we're gonna have a close look at that, if that's true or not, and we will let you know if it works. Other than that, you have 2 SIM cards. First SIM card, second SIM card, and a spot for the micro SD card, which you definitely need because this phone only has 8 GB of internal storage, which obviously is not enough, especially in these days. It also has 1 GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 212 processor. So let's put back the plate on the back. We're not used to this anymore. This feels like 2012 or something, which is not bad. So yeah, other than that, we have the headphone jack on the top and a microphone. On the other side, there's actually nothing. On the bottom, we have the micro USB port again. Of course, we would like to see USB Type-C, but in a price range of roughly €100 or $120, that should be fine. Next to it, another microphone, and on the side we have a power button and the volume rocker. The phone obviously comes with 2 cameras, one on the front with 5 megapixels and one on the back with 8 megapixels and a flashlight. The microphone is on the back also, which is obviously not that great because it's really easy to cover it. We know this from Samsung phones from the past and other phones. It's definitely not a great spot, but yeah, we will let you know if it's really a problem or not. Other than that, the phone looks really sturdy. For a €100 smartphone, this is actually not bad. The finishes are really nice. Of course, it's plastic, it's not metal, but honestly, for this price, it's really okay. So that was our first quick look at the new Nokia 2. In the next weeks, we're gonna review it, obviously, and you will find the full review on our website in the next weeks. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see all our videos as soon as possible. And yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye.